welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just making some turkey chili. It's Monday at 6:17, and I'm just making turkey chili. I have a pretty busy week today. I have to be up really early tomorrow. I probably should go to bed soon. We have some ground turkey I'm going to use, two different types of peppers, canned corn, some fire roasted tomatoes, chili powder, beef broth, tomato paste, and some kidney beans. I try as best as I can to get reduced sodium products, just because I don't like a whole lot of sodium. And that way too, I can add whatever kind, however much salt I want. I don't like a whole lot of salt either, but I do like flavor. So as long as you don't get overly salted ingredients, you can add your seasonings, your salt, whatever it is that you like. So I'm also going to use some cumin, some Italian seasoning, and garlic herb seasoning. You can just use garlic powder. I just didn't have any more of that left, so that's what I'm using. And just a little brown sugar. This is light brown sugar, but you can use dark, you can use golden brown. It's really whatever. And this is nice. This is a fresh pack, so it's like nice and soft, so it would dissolve really nicely. And just the rest of this onion. Now I really try to use all the ingredients that I have throughout the week, like all at the end of the week. So I try to do one big grocery haul, either at Costco or just the regular grocery store. And I usually live off Costco food for like 2 weeks if I go grocery shopping. And now this turkey, you're just going to season it basic with just some salt, some pepper, and some Italian seasoning. So with this turkey, with this turkey chili, you want to season every single layer of your dish. You normally season this if you were eating it by itself. So however you want your turkey to taste, if you were having like turkey burgers or just ground turkey by itself, or spaghetti even, is how you want to season your turkey. Salt. A lot of Italian seasoning, it looks like. I can't really tell. There we go. Ooh, that's going to be good. I smell it. All right, so I kind of like to add an ingredient kind of as I go to kind of build up the flavor. So with this, I'm going to season it with some black pepper, some salt, possibly some garlic herb, salt-free seasoning, and I'm definitely going to use cumin. But it's just really whatever I feel like doing at the time, as long as all the ingredients somehow get into this chili. And also too, you can make this in a crock pot. It really does not matter. You can make it in a crock pot, leave it on for however many hours you choose to. You can leave it on for up to an hour, up to 4 hours. But I'm making a quick 20-minute chili. And Himalayan salt, just put the pepper on, and going to use some cumin and some garlic herb. Okay? All nice and seasoned. Okay. Put it on here. So with the tomato paste, I'm going to use about half of it now, and then I'm going to put in 1 to 2 cups of beef broth, and then toward the end I'm going to put in the rest of the tomato paste. And in goes the beef broth. And you want to have this on a medium high just so that the turkey can still cook up in here, okay? Alright, so the chili is done. It looks so good. I am always... See it? It is so nice and hearty, and I'm about to try it. Okay. It's so hot. There's my plant. It's a fern, and I'm so proud of it because I make sure to take care of it. I give it humidity baths, humidity showers. I make sure I water it and give it sunlight. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Well, I'm already saying it's good, but my tongue only touched it, but I don't know if it's, I hope it's good. I know it's good because it smells good. That's really good. That isn't the chili. I mean, I'm not surprised, but so, definitely make this delicious chili. That is really good. Come get some.